Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add editor or manager to YouTube channel. So if you want to give access to someone to help manage your YouTube channel, this is how you can go about it. So first thing you want to do is go to your YouTube studio. Now click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. Here you see YouTube studio. Click on YouTube studio and this will load the YouTube studio app. For the first part, I'm going to show you how to do this on a personal account, and then I'm going to show you how to do this on a brand account. Now, on a personal YouTube account, what you want to do is come to the settings section and click on settings. Under settings, you want to click on permission. If you've already given access to other accounts, you'll also see them in this section. Now, to invite a new user, click on invite. Enter the email address of the user you'd like to invite, and then select an access level. Now, the access level as described. Keep in mind that when you choose a manager and editor, they'll be able to upload videos to your channel. Select your preferred access level and click on done. An invitation will be sent to the user. Click on save and you might need to verify your account. Now on the user's account, they'll receive an invitation via email and all they need to do is click on accept invitation. Once done, they'll be able to switch to your YouTube channel and manage their roles from there. Now to change or remove their access level, you need to come back to permission and click on the arrow pointing down on their access. Here you'll be able to change their access level. On a brand account, the steps are quite different. Now click on settings and click on permission. You have two options in this section to move permissions to YouTube Studio, where you'll be able to manage the access level on your YouTube Studio. Now also keep in mind that some limitations may apply and you can keep managing permissions in your brand account from your Google account. Click on manage permission and under user, click on manage permission. To add new user, at the top right, click on invite new user. Enter the email address. Here you only be able to add owner and manager. So thank you for watching this video on how to add editor or manager to YouTube channel. And I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to like, subscribe and have the post notification turned on.